Hi, Robb Montgomery here from the Smart Film School, and in this sequence of lessons in the Advanced Filmmaking course, I'm going to show you how to move beyond royalty-free music and avoid all the copyright issues of using someone else's music and negotiating that stuff or getting into trouble for not doing it. Very simply, you can create your own music. And I'm going to show you with a couple of free apps how far you can go creating your own music patterns, turning them into songs, background music that you can use for explainer videos, for example. We're going to get started, and you don't need any musical knowledge, I should point out. You don't, if you think you're tone deaf or you think you don't have any musical bones in your body, I think this might convince you that you can get started and you can do some really original music for your videos and films that kind of match your signature style. And it's very similar to the filmmaking process. We start with small bits and we string them together to tell a story. In this case, a musical story or support for a visual story. The first app I want to show you is something called Figure. Figure is free. It's from those Swedish guys from Propeller Heads. If you know Reason, electronic music, they've been at this for a couple decades. And they created a really great mobile app, which takes away a lot of the complexity. You don't need to have any musical theory. Let me just play you a little track here called Windy, in honor of the Windy City. That's a picture I took in January. That is quite a long delay line. It sounds great. There's some great instruments and some great effects, as you can hear. And the music creation process is built around patterns. If we look at that song, there's a drum part, there's a bass part, and there's a lead instrument. And by manipulating these dials, you can create beats that can be in tune and on time all the time. So it takes away that fear factor of creating your own music. And then you can do things like change the key of the song or change how many beats it's going to go and even the tempo. Let me just demonstrate that real quick. Modulation. It's a lot of fun. So it's really fun to get started. You can do a lot of experimentation and figure out, hey, I could make a pattern in the key of D, change it, record that, and then change it to B minor, and now I have two parts that go together. So you can see we're going to start really simply by creating patterns with a free app called Figure. And then I'm going to show you how you can take that and bring it into other free apps and build songs. And then you can take those projects and you can export them, of course, right to LumaFusion or another mobile video editing app using another free audio transfer app. And then if you really want to go far, you can then export that back to your laptop and open up that project and bring it into Logic Pro. Score scenes that you've cut together in Final Cut Pro. And really, this is a musical train, and you can get on or get off at any station you like. We're going to start with Figure here in the next lesson. So step one is to go get that app. It's free, and install it on your mobile device.